today we will start session 2 of unit 1 in marketing. The name of session 2 is product classification. Here is the diagram of classification of products. Here are 3 arrows. First arrow is of durability and tangibility. Second arrow is of consumer goods. Third is of industrial goods. In first, durability and tangibility, there are 3 more classifications. First is non-durable goods, second is durable goods, third is services. Similarly, in second classification, there are 4 further classifications. Point A, convenience goods. Point B, shopping goods. Point C, specialty goods. Point D, unsold goods. Similarly, in third, industrial goods, here are 4 classifications: material and parts, capital items, supplies, and the last, supplies and business services. Sorry, there are 3 partitions only. So we will understand one by one. Durability and tangibility. Durability means a product is having how much life, means is it non-durable, means it will not be able to store it for many days, or is it possible to store it for durable time. So here is the detailed classification of these goods. First, consumer goods. So I already told these are durable, non-durable and services. So in durable goods, here we can see examples are cars, scooters. Yes, these are durable goods. We can also give the example of shoes, durable goods, car, scooter, shoes, vehicle, etc. Means they can be stored for longer time. Non-durable goods are those goods which can spoil easily in short time. For example, soap, cornflakes. Also we can give the example of milk, vegetables, fruits. These are non-durable goods because we can't store them for longer time. They get spoiled easily. They are perishable goods. They can't survive for longer time. Next, on the basis of shopping nature, there are following classifications. Convenience good. Convenience means ease or comfort, means a customer purchases goods according to his or her comfort or ease. Example, bread, biscuits. For these goods, we don't need to compare, we don't need to check the brand. Example, bread, biscuit, milk, fruits, means wheat flour, pulses also. Shopping goods are those goods for which we need to have full time of shopping. We used to do comparisons, we used to do quality checkup. Also we check price and brand. Example, suiting, shoes, watches also. Next is specialty. Its name suggests that specialty goods are those goods for which we need a special occasion. We don't purchase them regularly, we purchase them on special occasions. For example, painting, any kind of special painting, carpets. Also we can add jewelry here. It is called specialty goods. Next is unsold goods. Unsold goods are those goods for them consumer never think. Example, coffin. Dead body is covered in coffins, but nobody think about purchasing coffin. That's called unsold good. Also there can be many examples of unsold goods. Next, services. Services are having many examples. Utilities, insurance, banking, finance, law, means civil and defense services, transport, communication service, business, professional service, distribution and trader service, hospitality service, LIC, life insurance also. Insurance, banking, finance, we can add many kind of services here. Last is industrial goods. Industrial goods are classified as raw material. First classification is raw material. Yes, every time we need to have a raw material for producing finished good. For example, sugar cane is used to produce sugar, so sugar cane here is the raw material. Next, foundation goods, facilitating goods. It comprises installation and fixed equipments. Next, accessories and parts. So these are industrial goods. We will do the theory of these classifications tomorrow. That's all for today. Okay class, thank you.